Nice job. Oh, wow. Well, Miss Sarniak, did you? Well, Miss Sarniak's class, don't go anywhere. Miss Sarniak's class, you sit right up here with Miss Sarniak today. Boys and girls, keep clapping. Did you know? Miss Sarniak, did you have any idea that this was going to be for you today?
Well, kind of.
Kind of. She said, kind of. Wow, this is amazing. Did you know how outstanding you are? You are truly outstanding. So, Miss Sarniak, we are very proud of you. Point Elementary School is very proud of you. Your students, so these are your last year students. You recognize them? Yes? They all got together and want to celebrate you this morning. Do you recognize anybody over there maybe in the crowd? Who do you recognize? A lot of those people? Well, your mom joined us this morning from Minnesota. Minnesota. Miss Jackie is over there. Wave, Miss Jackie. Mom from Minnesota. Boyfriend CJ, wave CJ is here to celebrate Miss Allison, Miss Sarniak. And why are we celebrating Miss Sarniak? Because Miss Sarniak is being recognized, boys and girls, as one of Missouri's outstanding beginning new teachers. Give her a big round of applause. This is so very exciting that you are here with us. We're very proud of you. We also have some very special guests from our central office, from Melville School District Central Office with us here this morning. Dr. Jeff Bressler is here. He's our assistant superintendent. He just waved to you. And Dr. Brian Smith is here. And Adam Smith is here. Wave, they're waving to you back there. And all your staff is here. And we have some very special familiar faces to you that when you went to college, way back when. So when you get older and you graduate high school and you go to college, members of St. Louis University are here with us this morning, and they are going to present Miss Sarniak with a very special award. So Dr. Voss and Mandy and Mr. Shibig, please come forward, and they are going to now present you with a very special award.
Little surprise?
A little bit. I didn't think you would be here.
We found him. He's retired, but we made him come back. Amanda was her academic advisor. Jim Shibik was one of her professors, and I am Joy Voss. I was also one of her professors. Allison was chosen out of 8,000 beginning teachers in the state of Missouri. She is one that St. Louis University has recommended, and the Department of Education has recognized. And in March, your principal, and I think maybe you, will be going to Columbia, Missouri to receive the award. It's a whole day event for teachers that have been teaching 1 or 2 years out in the field. So what we have here is a nice award from St. Louis University, recognizing that she was such an outstanding student for us, and she's an outstanding teacher for you. So she will also get an award, actually it's a special award, when she goes to Columbia, Missouri from the state. So thank you. You want to give that to? Yeah. We have a little saying.
So boys and girls, where did Miss Sarniak go? There she is. So Miss Sarniak, we asked your students what makes you outstanding. So boys and girls, if I gave you something, please stand up and come forward. And if you have something to read, please also come forward. So they made you a very special book. Your last year's students and this year's students and several staff members got together, and we wanted you to know what makes you outstanding. So these 5 students are just going to give you a little piece of what's inside that book.
Miss Sarniak is outstanding because she is cool, zappy, awesome, right, neat, incredible, amazing, kind, spells Miss Sarniak.
She teaches every day with math, science, social studies, writing, and reading. She has to get here early. She is very helpful if we do not understand something that we are learning.
She is smart and she can handle when we're crazy.
She's courageous, helpful, caring, and the best teacher in the universe, and she is energetic.
Wonderful job, boys and girls. So. Obviously, you can see why we think you are outstanding and well-deserving of Missouri's Outstanding Beginning New Teacher Award. Congratulations again, Ms. Sarniak. We're very proud.
Thank you.